at number one, guys, you already know what I'm gonna say, which one I'm gonna say, man. It's definitely, guys, what I'm saying, the best LeetCode features, definitely the. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm LeetCoder, and today, guys, we have an amazing topic that we'll be covering, guys. So pretty much we'll be going over the top 8 features of LeetCode, guys. So features that you may or may not have known before, guys. So make sure you watch this video in its entirety so you get the absolute value from it, right? I'm saying, because it might help you in your preparation journey. So it's a very, very, very good video for you to watch, right? So before I get into that, guys, I want to quickly introduce myself. I'm LeetCoder. I pretty much help people with leveling up their skills as it relates to coding interviews, guys. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'm saying, consider subscribing to the channel and join this awesome community of like-minded individuals who are serious about leveling up their skills, guys. So it's a great community that we're building here and we're having. So consider joining, man. So if you've been living under a rock all these years and you don't know what LeetCode is, right? So LeetCode is just a platform that people go to level up their skills, right? As it relates to coding interviews, guys. So data structures and algorithms, right? So this is the place to go to, right? So pretty much think of it as like a gym. People go to, there's like a lot of different tools, a lot of different machines, and you could work out on whatever machine that's there, right, to I'm saying, to level up that I'm saying, the muscle or whatever, right? So there's all sorts of things there, man, and that's what LeetCode is an extremely useful platform. So we'll be going over those features today. LeetCode has added many features over the years, and they are continuously adding new ones, right? So, and they get feedback from users like you and I to kind of help them improve and add new features to the website, right? Because there's always room for improvement, guys. So, and LeetCode actually listens to the community, guys, and they get those feedbacks and they actually incorporate that, right? And this is what I like about the LeetCode, and they're always listening and they always make the right move, guys. So to me, man, you know, just why to me LeetCode is the best platform, the best website on the whole internet, right? Maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but LeetCode is definitely the website to go to on the internet. I'm saying, instead of wasting time on other websites, you could come with LeetCode and use LeetCode to improve your coding interview skills and change your life for the better, guys. So at number 8, guys, we have the LeetCode history, right? So this one is a pretty good one, right? So the LeetCode history, you know what I'm saying, I don't know what you call that. Pretty much you could retrieve your last submitted code, guys. So this thing, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me just go ahead and move the screen a little bit, right? So pretty much I'm talking about this button, right? So I'm just zooming. Talking about this button right there, right? Pretty much this one pretty much allows you to retrieve the last submitted code, guys. So let's say if you're preparing for an interview, right? I'm saying you've done like problems like, you know, years ago, right? I'm saying, and you want to quickly retrieve them and review them, right? Instead of going to submissions and actually have to go there and then copy and paste it in here, right? And then run it, right? You could easily, guys, just press the retrieve last submitted code right there, right? It asks you for, I'm saying, then it populates everything and then easily run the code just a few clicks of a button, right? Now, this is a great feature that I use myself and it really helps me out a lot, especially when I'm reviewing problems. So guys, at number 7, guys, we have the debugger, right? The debugger is a very, very useful tool. I'm saying the debugger has helped me out a lot, especially when I first started doing LeetCode, guys. I'm saying, so pretty much I would go to the discussion section, right? Get the code, paste it in there, and then walk through every line of code, guys. I'm saying, so I could see what every verbal is doing. So some problems are, you know, there's some solution. They have some abstract stuff right that you can't really understand. I'm saying, this debugger actually helps you debug, right? I'm saying accurately debug the code. I'm saying, to see exactly what each verbal means, right? I'm saying it kind of helps you out a lot. See, you can see what every data structure and what's inside of each data structure. You can kind of helps you to visualize it a lot better, right? To understand what the code is doing. I'm saying, so that you don't get lost, right? This is especially good for problems that are very kind of complex and you kind of don't understand the solution, right? Going through it line by line, right? See what's changing is going to give you a better understanding of the solution and ultimately help you get better overall when it comes to the algorithms, guys. I'm saying it's going to help you understand it more. So now you can understand exactly what the program is doing, right? So now you can pretty much even write the program, right? So you don't have to memorize every line, right? You understand what the program is supposed to do, and you'll be able to write your own code for that, right? So this is a very, very useful feature, which I recommend a lot, right? So if you guys want me to do a walkthrough on how to debug, right, let me know that in the comment section, and I'll do a debug to help you guys out. So at number 6, guys, we have another great one, right, which is the this feature is called the mock interview or mock assessment feature. I'm saying, so this is a very great feature by LeetCode, right? Pretty much, this is a great way, you know, I'm saying, to test yourself when it under time constraint, right? Pretty much, you could take assessment, right, which are categorized by companies, right? And you could do, I'm saying, they have the online assessment that, you know, they got problem sets, right, for every type of, like, you know, I'm saying, thing you may have, right, for online assessments, phone interviews, on site, whatever you like, man. They have that for almost every company, the major companies out there, right? The Google, Facebook, Amazon, the world, I'm saying, Microsoft, they have everything in there for you guys, I'm saying, organized. So you could do those problem sets, what I'm saying, to kind of simulate a real interview, right? So if you're not using prep, or you don't have anybody to help you do mock interviews, right, this is a very good way of doing it, right? But I'm saying, because those problem sets are from previous like interview experiences that people went through. I'm saying, you might not get the exact same question, but I'm saying, but it's kind of a good way to practice. You don't see a lot of the, you know what I'm saying, you get a new problem, you know, if it's a hard medium, I'm saying, it's just blanket, just like you would get in an actual interview, right? Pretty much, it kind of helps you get in that interview ready mode, right? So that's why I highly recommend that feature, guys, for you to try it out. So at number 5, guys, we have the, you know what I'm saying, the ability to pretty much have a lot of different sessions, right? I'm saying, so pretty much this feature is gonna be useful, guys. I'm saying, so you can see I myself, right? I have several different sessions, right? So you could create sessions. So pretty much sessions are a great way for you to, you know what I'm saying, let's say you're prepping, right? So let's say you've done a lot of problems, right? You know what I'm saying? So, you know, when you go to the problems, you are able to see the solutions, right? But let's say you want to start a brand new one, right? As if, right, you started a brand new account, right? You want to start fresh, and you want to start knocking down the problems as if you're doing them for the first time, right? Getting a new session is definitely the way to go. Instead of opening a brand new account, you know, to simulate, like, you know, doing everything over again, right? You could easily just do a brand new session, right? I'm saying, just go to create, right? I've created several different sessions, guys. So pretty much you can click on create, guys, and start making a fresh new session, and you can start doing problems like, you know, you just started doing them, right? So this is a feature that I like a lot. So at number 4, guys, we have the LeetCode Explorer page, guys. You know what I'm saying? This is one of my personal favorite, guys. I like it a lot. It's pretty much, man, it's consisted of many different Explorer cards. I'm saying cards that are pretty much about different topics, guys. You know, they have about dynamic programming, heaps, graph, arrays, whatever kind of interview you want to. I'm saying, you have all sorts of you know, LeetCode Explorer cards, right? Pretty much the LeetCode Explorer cards are pretty much made up like of articles, guys. I'm saying, especially the ones that are about data structures, right? They have some kind of article, right? And then let's follow. Let's try the graph one, right? I'm saying, so they have some kind of article, right? That, you know, they go over, briefly go over the data structure. I'm saying, to kind of get you familiar with the data structure, and then they which they're always followed by some kind of like a few sets of questions, right, to kind of help you solidify your understanding of the concept, right? So it's a very, very good thing, man. I like it a lot, and this is a great way to learn a lot of stuff, guys. I'm saying, a lot of stuff there, and I highly recommend it. So at number 3, guys, we have the filtering by company, right? So this is a very, very great tool feature. I'm saying, it's a good way to kind of prep if you're really short on time, right? They say, you know, other than doing the blind 75, right, doing company specific questions, right, is your best bet if you want to maximize your chances of getting an offer, right? So pretty much, man, we're not trying to memorize all the questions, right? I'm saying, memorize all the solutions, right? We're trying to pretty much expose ourselves to the types of question that we can expect going for the company, right? Nothing's guaranteed in life, right? We don't really know how it's gonna go, but I'm saying, but it's pretty accurate. A lot of people have seen the accuracy by using LeetCode, and that's what LeetCode is such a platform it is, right? Because it's very accurate, right? So if you're doing those kind of problems, guys, you can ultimately if you're certain time, pretty much you'd filtered by whatever company, right? I'm saying, say you're doing Amazon, you can do Google. So I'm doing Google, you can do it like that, right? And then pretty much the list is gonna get filtered by, I'm saying, those kind of companies, right? So pretty much on the side as well, they have those as well. You could click on whatever company that you want to pretty much that you're studying for, right? So you could do top Amazon questions, right? And there are still several other ones, right? So I did a video on how to use LeetCode effectively. I went in through a lot of details when I went through that. So highly suggest you guys go check that one out. It's gonna help you understand that feature. It can be useful for you. So at number 2, guys, we have the filter by topics, right? So this one's a pretty decent one. I'm just unselect. So pretty much, man, you could filter by topics, right? This is a very great way of prepping, guys. I'm saying, so the way that I normally do it myself, right? What I normally do, I just pretty much I pick a topic that I'm weak in, right? And I go to that, right? I'm saying, let's say you're doing graph, right? So I do pretty much all the graph problems, right? I'm saying do all the graph problems, right? And I sort them. I'm saying I pretty much sorted by, I don't really do it by frequency, right? But for this one, I'm going to say sorted by easy to medium, right? I'm saying, so pretty much what you do all the questions, right? I'm saying you work your way in. So pretty much doing it that way, right, it's gonna help you get exposed to a lot of different questions that relate to that particular topic, right? So pretty much now you know a lot of different variations of the questions that can be asked for a given topic, right? So once you pretty much done most of them, right, you get to like a medium, right? You do all the easy, you get to medium, you can do all the medium hards and some easy hard ones. Then you could say, all right, cool, I'm comfortable with that topic and I can move on to the next one, right? So this is the way that I normally do it. And I think doing it that way can help you out, really help you maximize your, I'm saying, your time in LeetCode pretty much. Hey guys, at number 1, guys, you already know what I'm gonna say, which one I'm gonna say, man. It's definitely, guys, I'm saying, the best LeetCode features, definitely the LeetCode discussion section, right? So we all know, man, LeetCode is like this discussion section is a great place to find a lot of resources, right? I'm saying it's a very resourceful place, right? I'm saying invaluable resources that there, guys. I'm saying I remember I did a video on that, guys, about the top 5 LeetCode articles on LeetCode, right? I'm saying you can see that you just post the articles, right, were made by users like you and I, right, contributing to the platform, guys. So you already know what's up, that the LeetCode community is unparalleled to any community that's anywhere, guys. I'm saying the LeetCode community is so powerful. They're always there to, I'm saying, to help you guys out, to help each other out. I'm saying they're always looking out for each other. There's so many resources out, man. I highly recommend you go to the discussion section, guys, because, guys, there's nothing better than it, guys. I'm saying you're gonna find pretty much people posting about their study guide. I'm saying I did a lot of different study guides. I'm saying the article thing that I did, right, I went over a lot of different there were posts about that programming, about graphs. I'm saying pretty much people that have already spent a lot of time organizing. I'm saying doing questions. They've organized in a way for us, for new users that's coming on board, right? That's on board to the platform, right? To easily use those kind of study guides to kind of guide them in mastering concepts, right? I'm saying this is what I like about it. It's a very resourceful place, guys, right? And it also, it's full of inspiring stories, guys. Remember, I did a thing on that, right? I have a playlist actually that we've been building up, right? That pretty much we react to a lot of those inspiring stories, guys. I'm saying those stories, they're very inspiring, guys. They're very get us motivated and see other people's journey, right? And then act accordingly, right? I'm saying people, it kind of motivates us to, when we first started LeetCode, we're so like, oh my gosh, man, things get all difficult. But looking at those other people's story, right? People that started just like us, I'm saying at the beginning, right? They're able to reach their destination and get to the thing, right? I'm saying. And yeah, so if you felt like either of you guys, you could definitely go there on LeetCode and vent, right? And they will tell you guys, I'm saying, to tell you, hey man, keep your head up, king, or keep your head up, queen. They'll pretty much support you, man. I'm saying, you vent, you know, they tell you, hey man, that's part of the game, that's part of it. I'm saying, we don't want it all. Keep grinding, and you're gonna find your dream company. You're gonna get your dream company. Good things gonna happen to you guys by putting in the work. They always know it gives words of encouragement to keep you going after you've had like some kind of failure. I'm saying, they're very, very like that. So I'm seeing the community is just like so welcoming and so you know, helpful. I'm saying they're always willing to help each other out. You know what I'm saying, and in the verse board, I'm saying, and yeah, man, they're very helpful, always willing to help each other out. I'm saying they post questions they just got to from other companies. I'm saying they always about helping each other, and this is what I like about the community. It's a very strong community that's growing every day, guys, and I'm very happy to be part of this community of individuals who are, you know what I'm saying, about data structures and algorithms, right, and also really to help each other out and inspire others and help others, man. This is a great community to be part of, and I'm glad of it, right? So yeah, man, that was all the what's it called, the features that I had in mind. The top features, I'm saying, there's a lot more features, you know what I'm saying, a lot more will be added. I'm saying I haven't I'm saying I've used LeetCode recently. I'm saying, but this is the ones that I think that were kind of good, right? So if you don't agree with my list, right, let me know what kind of list you guys have, right? Maybe we could, you know what I'm saying, have a little bit of discussion about it in the comment section, you know what I'm saying. So if you like the video, man, make sure to give me a like. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be doing a lot of other videos just like this one. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.